Rays are a diverse and fascinating group of cartilaginous fish, closely related to sharks, known for their distinctive flattened bodies and graceful movements. They inhabit a wide range of marine environments, from shallow coastal waters to the deep sea, playing crucial roles in ocean ecosystems. Their unique adaptations allow them to thrive as both bottom dwellers and open water swimmers. Rays belong to the class Chondrichthyes, sharing a cartilaginous skeleton with sharks and skates. Unlike bony fish, their lightweight, flexible cartilage reduces energy expenditure during movement, allowing them to glide effortlessly through water. This adaptation is particularly advantageous for bottom-dwelling species that spend long periods resting on the seabed, as it prevents fatigue. Cartilage also provides a degree of shock absorption, protecting internal organs when navigating rocky or uneven terrain. Over millions of years, this evolutionary trait has proven essential for their survival in diverse marine habitats. The pectoral fins of rays are marvels of biomechanical efficiency, acting like underwater wings to propel them through the water. Larger species, such as those in open oceans, use broad, sweeping motions to generate lift and speed, resembling birds in flight. Smaller coastal rays often undulate their entire disc-shaped bodies, creating waves of motion that stir sand and expose hidden prey. This dual-mode propulsion allows rays to adapt their swimming style to different environments, whether navigating coral reefs, muddy estuaries, or deep-sea currents. Their movement is not just functional but hypnotically graceful, a testament to their evolutionary refinement. Rays have evolved a unique head structure where their eyes sit atop their flattened bodies, while their mouths and gills are positioned on the underside. This arrangement lets them scan the water column above for predators while simultaneously using electroreception to detect prey buried in the seabed. Some species can rotate their eyes upward to maintain a 360-degree view, even while partially buried. When feeding, they may retract their eyes into protective sockets to avoid injury from thrashing prey or sharp shells, showcasing a remarkable blend of sensory and defensive adaptations. Rays rely on ampullae of Lorenzini, specialized electroreceptors clustered around their snouts, to detect the faint bioelectric fields of hidden prey. These gel-filled pores can sense microvolts of electricity generated by muscle contractions in clams, crabs, or fish, even through layers of sand or sediment. This ability is so precise that rays can distinguish between living organisms and inanimate objects, making them highly efficient hunters in dark or turbid waters. Scientists believe this sensory system evolved alongside their bottom-dwelling lifestyle, turning the ocean floor into a dynamic map of electrical signals. Many rays are masters of disguise, using dynamic coloration and texture matching to evade predators and ambush prey. Some species can alter their skin tone within minutes to blend with sandy, rocky, or algae-covered surfaces. Others exhibit countershading, darker topsides and pale undersides, to break up their silhouette in open water. Deep-sea rays often utilize biofluorescence, emitting blue or green glows through specialized cells to communicate or confuse predators in the absence of sunlight. These adaptations highlight their role as both stealthy predators and elusive prey in complex ecosystems. Rays have perfected the art of self-burial to avoid detection. Using rapid fin movements, they create vortices that lift and redistribute sand or mud over their bodies. Once buried, only their eyes and spiracles, breathing openings, remain exposed, allowing them to breathe while remaining invisible. This tactic is crucial for ambush predators, enabling them to lie in wait for unsuspecting prey. It also serves as a defense mechanism. When threatened, some species can bury themselves in seconds, leaving predators baffled by their sudden disappearance. Unlike most fish, rays can breathe without swimming forward thanks to their spiracles, small openings behind their eyes. These structures pump oxygen-rich water directly over the gills, even when the ray is stationary or buried. This adaptation is vital for species that spend hours resting on the seafloor, conserving energy between feeding bouts. In fast-swimming rays, the spiracles play a secondary role, supplementing the oxygen intake from water forced through the mouth during movement. This dual system ensures survival in both active and sedentary lifestyles. Rays possess powerful, blade-like jaws capable of generating immense force to crush hard-shelled prey. Their teeth are fused into rigid dental plates, which grind mollusks, crustaceans, and even coral into digestible fragments. This diet makes them critical players in controlling populations of burrowing invertebrates, preventing overgrazing on seagrass beds and coral reefs. Some species regurgitate indigestible shell fragments, contributing to sediment formation. Their feeding habits underscore a delicate balance between predator and prey, shaping the biodiversity of benthic ecosystems. Rays exhibit extraordinary reproductive flexibility, with strategies tailored to their environments. Oviparous species deposit leathery egg cases anchored to seaweed or rocks, where embryos develop safely for months. Viviparous rays nourish embryos via yolk sacs or a placental-like connection, producing fully formed pups. Some species even practice intrauterine cannibalism, where the largest embryo consumes smaller siblings, a grim but effective survival tactic. These varied methods ensure reproductive success across habitats, from stable coral reefs to unpredictable open oceans. Rays are living fossils, with ancestors dating to the Jurassic period. Fossilized remains reveal that their flattened body plan and electroreceptive systems have remained largely unchanged for 150 million years. This evolutionary stasis suggests a near-perfect adaptation to marine life, surviving mass extinctions that wiped out dinosaurs and countless other species. Modern rays share striking anatomical similarities with prehistoric relatives, offering scientists a window into ancient marine ecosystems and the resilience of cartilaginous fish. Beyond electroreception, rays boast multi-layered sensory systems. Their lateral line detects water pressure changes, alerting them to approaching predators or prey movements. Chemoreceptors on their skin and fins taste the water for traces of blood or amino acids, guiding them to injured prey. Some species even sense Earth's magnetic field, aiding navigation during migrations. This sensory arsenal allows rays to thrive in environments where sight is limited, proving that, seeing, the world isn't limited to eyes alone. While many rays are solitary, some form massive aggregations numbering in the thousands. These gatherings may serve thermal regulation in colder waters, mating opportunities, or predator avoidance through sheer numbers. During migrations, schools move in synchronized patterns, their undulating fins creating mesmerizing underwater displays. Solitary species, however, defend territories using body postures or fin displays, demonstrating complex social behaviors rarely associated with cartilaginous fish. Certain rays wield serrated, venom-coated spines near the base of their tails. When threatened, they arch their bodies and strike with whip-like precision, driving the spine into attackers. The venom disrupts cell membranes and causes excruciating pain, deterring even large sharks. While rarely fatal to humans, encounters underscore the importance of respecting these animals in their habitats. Remarkably, the spine regenerates if broken, ensuring continued protection throughout the ray's life. Rays are among the ocean's longest-lived cartilaginous fish, with some species surviving 50 years or more. Their slow growth rates and late maturity, often 5 to 15 years, make them vulnerable to overfishing, as populations struggle to rebound from declines. Long lifespans also mean they accumulate toxins like mercury, serving as indicators of marine pollution. Conservation efforts focus on protecting nursery habitats and regulating fisheries to preserve these ancient, slow-reproducing species. Rays have captivated human imagination for millennia. In Polynesian mythology, they symbolize guidance and protection, often depicted as ancestors guiding lost voyagers. European medieval maps feature sea monks, mythical creatures inspired by rays. Today, their ecological importance fuels marine conservation campaigns, with rays serving as flagship species for reef and mangrove protection. From ancient petroglyphs to modern ecotourism, their enigmatic beauty continues to inspire awe and stewardship of the oceans. Rays, like many other marine animals, face increasing threats from human activities, making their conservation a pressing issue that requires global attention. These graceful creatures are often caught unintentionally as bycatch in large-scale fishing operations, are deliberately targeted for their meat, gill plates, or cartilage, leading to population declines in many regions. Habitat destruction, such as the degradation of coral reefs, mangroves, and seagrass beds, further threatens their survival since these ecosystems serve as essential breeding, feeding, and nursery grounds. Pollution, including plastic waste and chemical runoff, also affects their health and disrupts the delicate balance of marine life. Conservation efforts must therefore focus on a combination of protective legislation, stricter fishing regulations, and the establishment of marine protected areas that provide safe habitats for rays to thrive. Public education is equally vital, as raising awareness about the ecological importance of rays can help reduce demand for products derived from them and encourage sustainable practices. Rays play an essential role in maintaining ocean health by controlling populations of shellfish and other prey species, which helps balance marine ecosystems. Protecting them not only safeguards biodiversity but also supports the livelihoods of coastal communities that rely on healthy oceans. By combining science, law, and community participation, we can work toward ensuring that rays continue to glide through our oceans for generations to come.